In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start a newsletter in Brevo. By the end, you will have a simple email newsletter campaign created, designed, and ready to send to your subscribers. First, log into your Brevo account and look at the main navigation. Go to Marketing, then select Campaigns and choose Email. This is the area where Brevo organizes all of your email campaigns, so it is the right place to start when you want to send a newsletter. Next, click Create Campaign. When Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to create, choose Email. This tells Brevo you are building a standard email newsletter, not an SMS or another format. Now you will create your campaign name. Enter a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to send newsletters regularly. A clear naming style helps you stay organized when you have multiple campaigns running. After you name it, proceed to the next screen. Once you are inside the campaign setup, click Add Recipients. This is where you decide who will receive your newsletter. Select your list, meaning the subscriber list you want to send to. Make sure you pick the correct list because this controls your audience for the send. When you are done selecting the list, click Save to lock in your recipient choice. After that, click Design Email. Brevo will prompt you to select a template. Choose a template that matches the look and structure you want for your newsletter. Templates save time and help your emails look clean and consistent. Once you have picked one, you will be inside the email design area where the layout is ready to work with. When you are finished in the editor for now, click Save and Quit. This ensures your progress is stored and you can safely move on to sending options without losing your design. Finally, click Schedule and then choose Send Now. Scheduling is where you confirm when your newsletter goes out. If you are ready for it to be delivered immediately, Send Now will publish the campaign and start sending it to the list you selected. That covers everything you need to know.